as the sun is setting. I need to do a little story time with this car. Hopefully this video is entertaining enough to explain why I haven't uploaded for a little bit. We're just gonna get used to the car. So the reason we haven't been uploading is because I was cooking and I ended up burning my hands pretty bad. Don't ask why, but we were cooking pizza in the pan. And hold on, this corner looks interesting. But yeah, like I was saying, I was cooking pizza and we took out the pan from the oven with the mitts, and I was just spacing out and I completely forgot that it's scorching hot. I keep rudely interrupting myself. So the pan was super hot and it was just sitting there, and I was talking to my friends who were waiting for the pizza, and out of habit I just grabbed that pan and I was like, oh! And instead of dropping the pizza, I did save the pizza and I burned this hand here. So yeah, like my hands were like, these are like the little scars I have, and it's been kind of hard to even edit a video or record one, drifting for that matter. But plus the video I wanted to do was me ripping the e-brake. I'm still definitely going to do it. It's just gonna I just want my hands to fully heal, so I think ripping it, you know, might be a little bit painful. Stuff like that isn't really painful because I'm just dropping the clutch and just, you know, counter steering. But like fully ripping the e-brake, I'm not. So yeah, I'm just being a big baby, I guess. I just realized since it is kind of dry and we are catching a bit of traction. Yeah, see, we'll keep traction off, but we'll do a good pull. Raining like crazy, and I figured why not just go out and film some more videos, try to tell a story, but this time without getting interrupted. And I know people don't like night videos, but maybe we'll just finish off the video with a few night clips with me trying, you know, attempting to tell the story. I guess we can talk about the time when I did actually wreck my G37, because I didn't know what. Okay, so the problem is I feel like we have to do it with the window up. I mean, it sounds good, but the point of story time is you should be able to hear it. So I didn't know that all-wheel drive cars have this thing called understeer, and it's where you're steering and the car doesn't steer enough. So instead of going too sharp, it kind of goes wide, and I ended up taking a corner way too fast. I was going down the hill. The first corner I did okay on the left, but then when I was taking the right turn, that corner really threw me off, and you end up hitting, which in my case was a big barrier. I'll show you guys a picture of what that barrier looks like. It was pretty bad because I totaled my car, like I said, and it cost about, I want to say like $5,000 just because of the frame damage. But I ended up having too much fun and I paused the story. But yeah, it was a pretty devastating moment. That barrier was completely smashed. I ended up I kept that car, but I learned that when you have an all-wheel drive car, it definitely oversteers a lot, or understeers. Man, it's so hard to tell a story while getting sideways. Just pulling the frame and everything. And yeah, man, I can't even turn around without pausing the story. Oh no, that was close. I almost lost it there. I had to clutch in and brake, and it was a bit sticky, and I gave a little too much gas, and man, you get what I'm saying, right? You guys are smart.